So welcome back to the sawmill, friends. Today, we're not at my sawmill, we're at a different sawmill. We're up in Blumpville, Tennessee at my buddy Butch Jones's mill. He runs a Wood-Mizer LT40. Now Wood-Mizer's down here with us today, guys. Dennis Aldinger came down from Indianapolis and he's gonna be performing some maintenance on Butch's mill. This is actually called the Gold Service Plan, where he goes over the sawmill, does any maintenance that needs to be done, and also installs any new parts that Butch may have on hand to put on his mill. I'll be doing two videos today, one for my channel and another one for Wood-Mizer's channel. So if you want to see that other video later on, once they get this footage edited, go subscribe to their YouTube channel. There's a link down below. So you guys hang in there. It should be a pretty good day. Looks like we got some nice weather, even though it's pretty cold right now. It's about 35 degrees this morning. I think the high today is 75. So Butch has two different buildings right here, a large metal structure and a wooden lean-to that he added on at a later time. He used to have his sawmill over here in the middle, but he moved it out here once he completed this. Right here we got his log handling machines. We got a Kubota tractor and a Takeuchi track loader right there. I think I said that name right. And right over there we got the sawmill that's an LT40, that's a standard head with a Yanmar diesel engine. So back here behind the building is where Butch's log yard is. He's got a lot of walnut, some white oak, a little bit of everything back there. Some really nice walnut right there. And actually half of those logs are mine. Me and him both went in and bought those the other day. Some good looking walnut right there. Got some more hardwoods right there. And another pile right there on the end. So we're inside the sawmill building. Dennis is over there checking out the mill. And right here at the back is where Butch keeps all of his stickers at. I need to do this at my mill. Have somewhere universal at the back of the sawmill where the stickers are waiting on you. That's a good system right there. Of course, right there is his shovel to clean up the sawdust at the end of the day. You've got a lot of room in here. The ceiling in this building is a lot taller than mine. Let me back up. Butch, how big of an opening is this? So we've got a 24-foot opening here to bring in logs at the mill. I just have 12 at mine, so he had to outdo me there and do twice what I got. It looks pretty good though. Plenty of room to put logs on the mill. And over here where his equipment is, he's got his diesel fuel tank. How many gallons does that hold? 280 gallon fuel tank. He's got his parking sign right there so people know what part's here and what doesn't. And over here he's got whatever sawmill's got to have, a log right can hook. Right here we have the sawmill. This is a Tier 2. Dennis had to correct me on that. Yanmar engine, 35 horsepower. And this is the LT40. It's the standard head. I think he bought this one maybe a year before the wide heads came out. Let me see what year this saw is. We can usually tell by the serial number right there. So 2016. I think the wide heads may have come out in 2017 or maybe 2018, something like that. But Dennis is just checking everything out, going over some stuff. Now this is a sawmill, unlike mine, because you have to walk with this one. So right there is the remote center. It's a little bit different from the 70 that you guys see on the channel. And these hydraulics are controlled right there. Those levers control all the hydraulics on the mill. And for those of you that are interested, right here's the service truck that Wood-Mizer sends out on these gold service trips. Has pretty much all the tools they'll need for the day, and the truck is full of spare parts. So really nice truck and a good setup to check out your mill. The only thing missing, I don't see an out of the woods sticker on the side of this truck. Call me crazy, but I don't see one. I may have to throw one on there before they leave today. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. Butch, where are we going?
We're going to Boonies on the lake, on Boone River.
Boone River. Is it Boone River or Boone Lake?
It's Boone Lake, but right now it's a river.
Okay, it's a river because the water's down, I guess.
You got it.
We also got Dennis with us. He's in the back seat.
There you go.
Guy in the orange shirt. He's not hard to miss.
Loose there. So I'm just gonna go in here and break those set screws loose and back them out a little bit and run back in. Just taking them out so it cleans up the threads a little bit, so we'll pull back down, snug up tight.
All right, guys, we're running out of daylight. What time is it? It's 5:30. It's getting dark already. I hate this time change stuff. So Dennis is over here on the LT40 finishing up. We've had a good day, shot a lot of video, doing a lot of maintenance on Butch's mill. His mill was in really good shape. Dennis really didn't find anything major wrong with it. But I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at my sawmill. We're gonna work on some poplar. And it's gonna happen here in just a second. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, it's the next day. Let's head up here to the sawmill and saw some poplar. All right, guys, this is tulip poplar. It's 10 feet long and the diameter is around 24 inches. We're gonna be sawing these into true 1x6s, and this will be barn siding for the chicken house. On the sawmill, Joe Maine Silvertip Turbo 7. If you want those blades, call Joe. Cell phone number is in the video description. Big shout out to everybody on Patreon for supporting me here in the channel. I really appreciate it. And we have plenty of hoodies left over at the Farm Focus site. There's a link down below. Go check it out.
it.